Hello everyone, welcome to your Best Option Group channel. Here is the top 10 questions of today's daily current affair. Question 1. Who won the Norway Chess Championship 2026? Answer. R. Pragnananda won the Norway Chess Championship 2026 and became the first Indian player to win this prestigious tournament. Question 2. On June 5, 2026, in which city of Gujarat did the Prime Minister inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of several development projects worth more than Rs 18,800 crore? Answer. Surat. Question 3. According to the data released by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, what was India's GDP growth rate in fourth quarter, January to March 2026 of financial year 2025 to 2026? Answer. India's real GDP growth rate in the fourth quarter of financial year 2025 to 2026 was 7.8%, and the GDP growth rate for the entire financial year 2025 to 26 was 7.7%. Question 4. Which sector is the Great Nicobar Project Island related to? The Great Nicobar Island Project aims to transform Great Nicobar into a major maritime, economic and strategic military hub in the Indo-Pacific region. The project estimated cost ranges from Rs 72,000 crore to Rs 92,000 crore. Question 5. In which Indian state was the first suspected case of the Ebola virus recently reported? Answer. Rajasthan. A woman who arrived in Jaipur from Uganda exhibited symptoms of the infection. Question 6. From which country has India recently received the fourth squadron of S-400 Sudarshan air defense missile system? Answer. From Russia. Question 7. Papikonda National Park, which was in the news recently, is located in which state? Answer. Andhra Pradesh. Question 8. Recently, the US government has proposed the levy what percentage of tariff on imports from India over the failure to enforce forced labor regulations? The answer is 12.5%. Question 9. Who is the author of the recently discussed book Island on Age, The Great Nicobar Crisis? Answer. Pankaj Seksaria. And the last question is, Mette Frederiksen assumed office as Prime Minister of which country for the third consecutive time? The answer is Denmark. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you.